In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search chats in ChatGPT. If you've ever needed to quickly find a conversation you had before, maybe a code snippet, a list of ideas, or a specific answer, this built-in search makes it fast and simple. Start by looking at the left sidebar. This is where your recent conversations live. At the very top of that sidebar, you'll see a magnifying glass icon labeled Search Chats. That familiar icon is your shortcut to the search tool. Click it, and a small search panel will open. This panel is dedicated to scanning your saved conversations, so you can jump back to what you need without scrolling through a long history. Inside that panel, place your cursor in the search field and begin typing a keyword or phrase related to what you're trying to find. Think of terms that would likely appear in the conversation itself. Things like a topic name, a distinctive phrase, or a file concept you discussed. As you type, the list of conversations will narrow down to show matches. You don't need special symbols or advanced operators. Plain, clear words work best. If you don't immediately see what you're after, try refining the wording. Use more specific terms, shorten the phrase, or swap in a synonym. Unique words are especially helpful. For example, instead of a broad word like report, try quarterly report outline, or the particular phrase you remember using. The goal is to give search the clearest breadcrumb it can follow. A quick note about how this feature behaves. Opening the search panel doesn't change or delete anything in your account. It's simply a lens over your existing chats, so you can locate content without reorganizing anything. It's also fine to pause for a moment and think about how you originally phrased your question in that past conversation. Mirroring your earlier wording often brings the right thread to the top. On smaller screens, the sidebar can feel compact. If it's collapsed, expand it first so you can reach the magnifying glass at the top. Interface details may shift slightly over time, but the Search Chats icon in the left sidebar remains the fastest path to this tool. That's really all there is to it. Open the left sidebar, select the magnifying glass labeled Search Chats, and use clear, memorable keywords to surface the conversation you need. With this simple workflow, finding past answers becomes a matter of seconds, not minutes.